Hello friends, how you can turn off your Google Pixel phone. So first of all friends, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So if you want to turn off your Google Pixel friends, here you can see the setting option. Just click on setting. When you tap on setting, from here you can scroll down and here you can see the option of the accessibility. If you want to turn off your Pixel phone, you can turn off through your icons, okay, power button, but there is it has the problem. So if there is the problem, you cannot turn off. And how you can turn off without power button? Okay, so here I just tap on accessibility, then from here you have to scroll on down, okay, and here again you can see the accessibility menu option. I just tap on it, accessibility menu. After that, from here you just click on this icon accessibility menu and click on allow, and after that here click on got it. Then here you can see the accessibility menu icons, okay. You can rotate it, you can move it from one screen to another screen, okay. See, this is the accessibility shortcut, so just click on accessibility shortcut. When you click it, here you can see the power. Just click on power, then after that click on here you can see emergencies, restart, lockdown, and power off, okay. Just click on power off, then here your mobile phone will be power off successfully, okay friends. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.